Hi guys, and welcome to the second washing system. And today we're just gonna laundry the clothes in the second one. And let's do this. Yes! Just gonna laundry this by main one and the mini one. So I'm just gonna put clothes in it. Alright, I have the laundry clothes inside. I'm just gonna put detergent right now. I'm gonna get detergent. I used Gain detergent. Now I'm just gonna pour it. I'm just gonna place it there to wash it. Now I'm gonna do a main one. Okay, this is the main washer for the detergent. Alright, I need to move. I will be right. Just a minute. I'm not done yet. Open a jar. Now I'm just gonna pour the detergent. Or I think I don't have it enough. So I'm just gonna pause the video. Alright, I have the detergent all set up. Now I'm just gonna close the doors. And then turn on the washers. Alright. Now I'm just gonna do a normal cycle. And then this is fades. And stopper. Alright, I'm just gonna start the washer. And 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. I close the door. Hello, distancing. Now I'm just gonna wait for a bit and then enjoy. It will be short. Alright, I'm just gonna stop this video and upload the video when the machine is done. See you next time.